If you want to automate your email marketing and boost your store sales, connecting Klaviyo to Shopify is one of the most important steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Klaviyo to Shopify, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have both platforms integrated and ready to sync customer data. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the integration section. Here, you'll see a list of available platforms you can connect with. Search for Shopify and click on it. Then click on Add Integration to begin the setup process. Next, you'll be asked to enter your Shopify store URL. This is your store's domain, usually in the format yourstore.myshopify.com. Enter it correctly and proceed. Now, you'll be redirected to Shopify. Log in to your Shopify admin panel if you're not already logged in. Shopify will ask for permission to connect with Klaviyo. Review the permissions and click on Install App or Allow to complete the connection. Once connected, Klaviyo will start syncing your store data. This includes customers, orders, products, and browsing activity. The initial sync may take some time depending on the size of your store. After the integration is complete, go back to Klaviyo and check if data is being received. You should start seeing customer profiles and events like viewed product or started checkout. You can now use this data to create powerful email flows like welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and post-purchase emails. Make sure to also enable on-site tracking in Klaviyo to capture visitor behavior on your store. This helps improve targeting and personalization. In this tutorial, we learned how to connect Klaviyo to Shopify by adding the integration, authorizing access, and syncing store data. This setup allows you to automate marketing and increase conversions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.